Now this white pad I use for the easy scrub. So the other side is clean, and you're not pressing, and you're not looking for any absorbency. So you're just going to put a little bit down. You don't need much. And you're just spreading it out. So you kind of work it into the stone. You want it to penetrate into the stone like a sealer would. Now this is already sealed, so it's it may be like sitting on top of the existing sealer, but you don't want to use a towel, because the towel or rag is just going to absorb it all, and then you're screwed. So you're going to use a towel or rag to buff it off. You could also use the like a lamb's wool or microfiber buffing compound or buffing bonnet for the Makita. Alright, once you got it all spread out, you just buff. And all you're doing is just removing the existing material. You're not it's not polishing the surface. Buffing is just removing the residue and everything from the Ultimate. You want to use a dry rag. So if your rag starts to get damp from the Ultimate, if your rag starts to get damp from the Ultimate, you want to just get a new rag